Okay, so what I'm doing today is I got this. This is a Tektronix Type 529 waveform monitor. I bought it at auction quite a few, I don't know, a couple of years ago, last year or the year before. And it turned out all the stuff had probably been in a basement and gone through a flood. And I started cleaning it up and I powered it up slow on this Variac, and miraculously the thing seems to work. So I'm going to clean all the connections, clean the tube sockets, and see if I can't bring it back, because I guess it works. And this is kind of a useful thing, as in you can use it as like a signal monitor for, if you're talking on the ham radio, you can wire it into the RF, and it's more useful than just an oscilloscope, because it's designed to monitor it like a signal monitor. So it might be useful to me. It's pretty cool, and like I say, surprisingly, it still seems to work. I don't have it. I mean, I'm powering it up now, but like I say, everything's got like a thin layer of silt on it. So I'm gonna have to take it all apart and clean it. And it's hybrid. There's transistors in these little sockets, and there's also a few tubes too. Let's see if I can get it to trace for you so you can see it working. But I've got this hard surface cleaner I got for nothing that should help clean it. See, intensity, scale, the scale loom even still works. It was working yesterday, but I don't know how many volts I got on it right now. It's got to be full voltage. Huh. Maybe I did something to it, now it's not working. It was working yesterday. It's so dirty that it probably needs to be cleaned a lot better. Oh no, there it goes. Yeah, see, it's so dirty. You can see. Let's see here. Intensity, focus. All I did was like jiggle a tube, so yeah, there it goes. Something's really needs to be cleaned. You can see I changed that and it just barely moves. Well, I'll get it working again. You did see it did have a trace, and it had a nice trace yesterday, so. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, went through a flood and the thing works. They don't make them like that anymore. If you had something now that went through a flood, it would be toast. You can see the silt on it. But yeah, it works. But yeah, I'm gonna clean this thing up, and maybe I can use it with one of my transceivers. It would be a good monitor scope.